All right, what's up, UCF family? Coach Ben here. Whiteboard briefing for you. This workout's going to be for May 27th. Okay, I'm going to go over the workout and then a few little announcements. We're not going to be doing a whiteboard briefing every day now. Now that we're back to having our outdoor classes, but we will check in from time to time just with any any announcements that we need to make, and just to make sure that you guys that are still following along at home, either with equipment or without, still kind of understand what the workout's taking place. But we'll make sure and have videos and all those things so you guys know what the movements are. All right, so let's talk about the workout for tomorrow. So for both equipment and non-equipment, the warm-up is going to be the same. So we're going to have 3 sets or 10 minutes, okay? 15-second per side star plank, okay? So in that position on our side, okay? Then we're going to have 8 drop squats. We've done these a few times, just to remember on that. We're just here, dropping down, coming back up. So that's going to be your drop squat, okay? Then we'll have 10 prisoner good mornings and then 10 reverse lunges, all right? So 3 times through that. Once we're done with that, you have a 5-minute rest or transition if you're in class to set up for what's going to be your Metcon for the day. And what we're looking at are 5 sustainable sets. Okay, so what we're looking at, we want these times to be pretty close to the same. So you don't want to burn out on this first one and then your last one is a lot slower. Okay, there is going to be a few little differences between equipment and non-equipment. I'll point those out, but first I'm going to go over equipment. So equipment is going to be, your first thing is going to be 10 hand release burpee, 10 hand release burpee with no jump. Okay, so you'll go down, hand release, come up, and then you just don't jump to the top of the burpee. All right, then you're going to have 14 dumbbell or kettlebell deadlifts. Okay, 20 sit-ups, 14 dumbbell or kettlebell gorilla row. The gorilla row is this one where we're bent over. Dumbbells or kettlebells are actually on the ground, and then we're going to row. This is going to be an alternating row, like so. Okay. After the gorilla row, you'll go into 20 alternating prisoner step-ups, and then finishing out with a 200-meter run. All right, and then you'll have 1 minute rest between sets. Okay. Now, kind of the tricky thing with this one for tomorrow is each round you'll switch the order of the exercises. So round 1, you'll go exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Round 2, you'll do it in the reverse. So you'll go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It'll make a little bit more sense when you actually look at it on paper, but just know that you're going to alternate between those two orders. Okay, so first round is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then round 2 is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then back on round 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then round 4 you're going back down, and then round 5 you're going back up. So I know it's a little bit confusing, but you'll get the gist when you look at it. All right, and then we are going to have a 25-minute cap on this for class. Again, this is just to make sure that we're moving along and keeping everything within kind of that time frame that we've put in place. All right, so differences for the non-equipment. Okay, you're going to start out with, you'll have 10 hand release burpees as well. Okay, then you're going to have 5 plank walkouts instead of the deadlifts. Then you're going to go 20 sit-ups. Then you're going to have a 30-second crab walk. Okay, if you don't have the space to do a crab walk, then you're just going to do a reverse bridge. So that's that crab position, and just push your hips up towards the ceiling, and you're just going to hold that for 30 seconds. All right. Then we're going to have 20 alternating prisoner reverse lunge, and then a 200-meter run. So a couple differences there. And then same deal, you'll alternate which order you're doing these in each set. So that's going to cover it from a workout perspective. Obviously, if you have questions about the workout, if you're coming to class, that'd be awesome. As far as class goes, so we started doing our outdoor workouts, and we had a great turnout for Murph, and then today's been good, and it's looking pretty good for the week. A couple of little announcements with that. One, we're going to add a 4:30 class because 5:30 has been capped out, so we want to try and make sure that we're giving more available times. And then also, one thing that we're really looking forward to is, if all goes well tomorrow, we will have some tents covering those spaces outside so that we can not have to close down for weather, or it's severe weather, I guess I would say. So those are kind of the big announcements we got. Yeah, please reach out. Let us know what you think about the outdoor workouts. We're kind of figuring this out as we go, and just let us know your feedback. Thanks so much, and look forward to seeing you guys in class.